Hi, welcome back. I'm so excited. I was actually getting a bit bored of polygel, so I bought myself a press-on nail kit from Amazon for only £13. I don't want to waste any time, so let's just open it up, see what's inside. There's 2 nail files, a normal 100-180 grit nail file, and a nail buffer. Now wait, let me explain my nails. A few days before filming this video, I actually went for a taster day for this beauty course I wanted to study at my old college. And the nail segment of it, we were paired up and painted each other's nails, and this was a few days later, so it's all chipped off. But moving on, we've got a tip cutter, some nail glue. This nail glue is actually really good. During a practice set, I actually use it to apply some rhinestones, and literally I thought I was using super glue, like it dries that quickly. Now, confession time, I actually wanted to get square hole cover tips, but when I was buying this, the only nail shape that was available was stiletto. So I just thought, well, I'll get some stiletto hole cover tips and I'll buy some square ones later. And I'm actually glad I got it because this set came out so cute. Like, I'm still not over it. Anyways, I'm gonna put this chewing gum thing on the chest piece. I'm loving the pink on pink vibes, like it's super cute to me. So I'm gonna pick out the nail tips, size them out, and I'm gonna file around the edges and like prep it so it fits nicely on my cuticles. Then I use both sides of my nail buffer, the rough and the smooth, to buff the nail tips. Now for my design, I'm using my new gel polish. It's pretty sheer, so I'm gonna use 3 coats of it. I've got my base coat, my top coat, and these are the polishes I'm gonna use for the marble. I threw in an extra one when I was doing the marble. I'm starting off my design with a base coat and curing it for about 30 to 40 seconds. And then for the nail art itself, I use my blooming gel exactly where I want the marble to be. Place the marble and I let it spread for a few seconds before curing it. So yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. I hope you guys enjoy the design. I don't want to talk too much, so I'm just going to let you guys watch the video, listen to some music. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I'll speak to you guys soon.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single morning, you were there by my side. You make me feel whenever I'm low. You're there for my soul, wherever you go. That's where I go, my own. I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic anytime I look at you. Come here, cause hold you for me now. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, every single moment. Hold you for life. So tight, coming closer.
So my 4 fingers are done and they're so cute. I actually recorded the thumb design in vertical mode for like shorts and TikTok and stuff. But yeah, I couldn't wait to get these stuck on. But you know what? I actually went with my habit of sticking my tips on with base coat, and it just didn't work with the press-ons. So I pulled out my good old faithful nail glue. I bought these last year, literally last summer. But yeah, as soon as I added the glue on to the tips, put it on my nail, in like 10 seconds, it was stuck on like really securely. And in my head, I'm like, of course, nail glue is what you need for press-ons. Like, it was like, duh. But we got there in the end, didn't we?
That's fine, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I'm going place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I checked.
So once they were stuck on, I went over my cuticles with my Be Glam Elixir cuticle oil. And okay, I can't even begin to explain to you how much I love these nails. They are so cute. 10 out of 10 for like ease. It was so easy, so fun. If you've literally never done press-ons before, you guys know me, I always recommend a marble. I think marble design is always so cute to start with. You can't really get them wrong. And one thing I'm gonna like pat myself on the back for, like I'm so happy with, is the color scheme. The mixture of all the colors, they went so nicely together, really complemented each other. Like, they just give off this like burnt orange, summertime. It's just such a pretty color combination. These nails are by far one of my favorites so far for short nails. You know I'm a long length girly, but for short nails, absolutely amazing. Love these. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you watch all the way, thank you so much. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.